Welcome to Lutong Bahay with Nanay. Today, we are going to make curry shrimp with potatoes. Okay, so ano ba yung mga ingredients nito? Unang-una, yung shrimp, potatoes, ginger, garlic, and probably curry later on. So, let's start! We also have curry and coconut cream. Okay, so right now, naglalagay tayo ng olive oil.
Use any oil.
Kahit anong oil daw pwede, hindi naman kailangan olive oil. Okay, putting in the ginger. Okay, so now yung garlic. Bakit olive oil ang nilagay dito?
It's not healthier.
Okay. And then the shrimp. Smelling nice.
A bit of water.
Add a bit of water. Para hindi siya crispy. Maluto. So 4 spoons of curry powder.
It's a small spoon. That's how it is. MSG, half teaspoon.
Half teaspoon MSG, half teaspoon salt. Half teaspoon salt. Okay, so now nalagay na natin yung shrimp. Is this finished already?
Yes.
Oh, so there you have it, everybody. Curry shrimp with potatoes. Alright, it's that easy, everybody. Thank you for watching this episode of Lutong Bahay with Nanay. Oh, I'll see you in the next video. Make sure to subscribe. Stay healthy. Bye-bye.